Everyone, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to replace a shorter Pro gimbal handle with a longer Pro gimbal handle. The tools you'll need is a 5/32 Allen wrench and a set of retaining ring pliers set to close. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your existing gimbal, take your 5/32 wrench, you're going to pull on the yoke and hold while holding the handle to get that conical bore to unseat. Set this aside, spin off this cap, take your retaining ring pliers and you're going to compress that retaining ring, pull it out, hold on to it, hold on to this, and you might need to put your screw back in there to pull that assembly out. Set that aside, take your new handle, take those same guts, and while you got it open, you might want to add some oil to those bearings. Shove that in there. Take this ring, and you want the wide section facing up. Set that down in there. Get your retaining ring pliers. Compress the retaining ring, then push on it, and make sure that it snaps. There we go. Do you hear that? You should hear the same thing. Then take this guy, put him back on there, tight. Take this screw out. Take your yoke, pick it back up, put it in there. See that washer on that bolt? That is critical. You need to hold on to that washer. Tighten her up. And voila, there you have it. One old handle, one new handle. Have a nice day.